compete in every drill. We've been talking about competition since we got here. You compete. Receivers, running backs, O-line, one-on-ones. Every drill you have a chance to win on, you compete. And it's unacceptable to lose.
Challenge yourself. Beat the guy next to you every time. That's how you flip the switch. It don't just happen. You gotta make it happen.
You wanna be great?
Yes, sir.
Well, let's do it then. Set.
Hey, 6-inch step, that's it. Get it in the ground, get the second step in the ground as fast as we can go.
There you drop, outside in. Now get the ball, work it outside in. Hey, and your eyes gotta go outside first.
Intensity, good job. Wait, listen to the coaching, baby. Hey, let's have a great practice, man. Y'all ready? Yes, sir. How we gonna do this? Yeah. How we gonna do this? Yeah.
Like that. You see my thumbs in, you see my hands in, that's what I want to do.
Good practice, got a lot of film to watch. Got Sunday and Monday off, but you got a lot of film to watch between now and Tuesday's practice. We have 9 weeks test this week. Spend some time studying.